First, plug in the power. Press Start button. Put the cutting film into the cutting machine. Click to log in. Click on Product. Click on the phone. Select mobile phone model. Find the cellophane film model that needs to be cut. Check markerless film. Click to cut. A prompt appears after the cut is complete. And put the phone into the hole and stick it. Click to clamp, up, down, left and right automatic. Fixation device activated. Fixed frame the race. Then peel off film. And lift the membrane around it. Then peel off the film. Fix the traceless film holes on the film applicator. Click to stick film. Uncover the membrane. Close the cover. Click to OK. Select cutting type according to cut film. Wait 60 seconds. Open the cover. Click to release. Uncover the mask. Take out mobile phone. High definition screen without trace. Anti-slip and wear resistant. As comfortable as bare metal.